So here I have taken off the cover of a 100 amp panel. This house was built in the 50s and they installed these panels back then because the electricity demand wasn't as great as it is today. So I took this cover off, to determine if this panel needs to be upgraded or not. It's not always the case that you need a 200 amp panel at the moment. In the future, maybe, but if you don't have the money and the thing's working fine, there's no real need if it's not drawing too many amps for you to upgrade it, right at the moment. So I put this amp meter on one of my phase conductors right here. And what I mean by phase conductor is one of the hot conductors. So you have a hot conductor here and you have a hot conductor right here. This is 120 volts to ground. So if you were to take a lead and put it on that terminal right there, that's screw where it's connected to, and you were to take the other lead and put it on this neutral bar right here, right there, I don't want to touch it, it should read 120 volts. And the same with this side. If you were to take your lead and put one of your leads right there and your other lead right on this bar, you should read 120 volts to ground. If you were to take a lead, put it here, and you were to take your other lead and put it here on that, you'll read 240 volts to ground. And this aluminum wire right here, that's your neutral coming in from your service. So I put the ammeter on here. On this phase, I got 22 amps. On this phase, it was 28. So, and right now I got a lot of stuff on. I got the air conditioner going. I got the dishwasher on. I got a dryer on. Typical stuff, a few lights, nothing major. What, you'd usually be running at your house on a normal day. So if you have an electrician come out, before you do anything, turn on your normal stuff, your normal appliances, lights, plug in your computers, just run it normal, and have him pull out his ammeter and hook it up to one phase conductor, the one I got right here, and the other phase conductor right there. If that thing's not drawing a lot of amps, then you don't need a new panel. So I hope I helped you guys out. And like I said, this is a 100 amp panel, so it's only supposed to take 100 amps. And right now I got 22 and 28. So hope this video helped you guys. Take care.